Good evening, I'm KY Low. Today, I'll show you how to book car rides in Southeast Asia with an app called Grab. Grab is a very popular app in that region and has literally driven Uber out of the market. Pun intended. You can download the app by searching for the word Grab in the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store. You should set up your account before the trip. The first time you open the app, you'll be shown an introductory screen. Press the words "your mobile number" and you'll be asked to enter your mobile number. In order to do so, you must grant Grab the permission to make and manage calls on your phone. Once you have entered the number, press Next and a verification code will be sent to your phone, which is often automatically entered into the app once you receive it. Afterwards, you can enter your name and email address. In order for Grab to work, you must also let it keep track of your location, so you should grant access to your phone's location when asked to do so. You'll then be shown a very bare-bones interface, assuming that you are not already in a country where Grab can be used. For some reason, Grab does not allow you to add credit cards to your account if you're not in a country where it can be used, at least at the time this video was made. Once you have arrived at your destination, in my case, it was Malaysia, and got online with your phone, open the app again. Press the user icon on the upper left of the screen to open the main menu. Press Grab Pay, followed by Add Payment Method. Press Credit Card, and you may enter the details of your card. Press Save, and your card will be linked to your Grab account after a brief verification with your bank. You can now get back to the main menu and start booking rides. On the main menu, press Car. You'll be shown a map of your surrounding area. Press the lower text box and you can enter where you want to go. You'll be shown the route that will be taken, the type of service chosen, along with the fare. Press the box displaying the service chosen and you can select a different one, which may have a different fare. Personally, the Just Grab service is more than enough for me in Penang. In addition, if you have a promo code, you can enter it by pressing Promo. When you are ready, press the Book button and the app will start searching for a nearby driver. When a driver is assigned to you, you can keep track of his location by looking at the live map provided. To help you identify the driver, you will be shown a photo of the driver, his full name, along with the make, color, and license plate of his car. Yeah. Okay. 沙灘啊，唔該。Once you have set off, you can keep track of your location, along with what time you can expect to arrive at your destination. Press the bar at the bottom of the screen, and you can see all the details of your journey, and even change your destination. Once you have arrived, you can rate your experience with a 5-star scale. You'll be reminded of your total fare and the number of points you have earned. If you are feeling generous, you may also tip the driver and be more specific about what you like most about your ride. Please note that your fare may sometimes be higher than normal due to high demand. This happens when there are not many drivers available, which could happen when you try to book a ride when it's raining from a popular tourist destination or when many people are leaving work. Grab has a loyalty program where you can earn points from your rides. You earn 6 points for each ringgit spent in Malaysia and 3 for each Singapore dollar spent in Singapore. So the earn rate is better in Malaysia. To redeem your points, open the app, press the user icon, followed by rewards. Your points can be used to get discounts in future Grab food orders, Grab rides, fast food, groceries, cinema tickets, and more. If you would like to redeem something, press the reward you want and you'll be shown a detailed description of it. Press purchase and confirm your selection. You will then be shown how many points you have left. To use your reward, go back to the rewards menu and press my rewards. You'll be shown all the rewards you have redeemed with your points. Press use now next to the reward you would like to use and follow the on-screen instructions. Let's make our way to the Tesco.
You're very happy now.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, it looks like a very super store. Yes. I'll be buying these goodies from Tesco. And so, when I check out, I can show this code to the cashier to get my discount. I have bought my stuff. As you can see, 5 ringgits have been deducted from the total in the form of a club card voucher. Let's talk about when you should not be using Grab. Firstly, booking a ride with Grab is not so different to calling a taxi. If you're not in a hurry and there are plenty of other public transport to choose from, there is no need to use Grab. Secondly, if you're not very tech savvy or have poor or aging eyesight, you really should not be fiddling around with this app. Thirdly, you should not use Grab if you have concerns about your privacy. After all, you have to allow Grab to make and receive phone calls and keep track of your current location. If you're worried that the government or even intelligence agencies may spy on you through Grab, don't even install it. Based on my experience upon arriving at Penang, I can also say that you should not use Grab if you have just arrived at your destination and cannot go online at no extra cost. Let's go back to my most recent flight report and see what happened. I am at the arrival hall and must arrange for transportation to my hotel. Since there is no Wi-Fi in the arrival hall, I had to buy a tourist SIM card straight away. I ended up overpaying for a tourist SIM card before I could book my ride. By the time I have checked in and entered the First Avenue shopping mall across the road, most of the stalls in the food court have closed. The Grab fare to my hotel was 27 ringgits. Meanwhile, my relative, who joined me later that night, took a white taxi and paid a fare of 44.70, which is fixed by the government. When you consider the time I have wasted figuring things out and setting up my phone, and the premium I paid for my SIM card, I really should have taken the white taxi